Sirens in my rib cage, breathing like it's all on fire. Shadow creatures in the hallway, whisper on the next